Hello, Darin Martineau here from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I want to talk about my new product, which I call Mastering Matrix, and you get includes 21 video downloads, includes 21 amazing close-up magic routines. Um, this is everything from beginner to advanced level, starting off with a basic matrix, and then I go through many matrices I've created over the years, um, highlighting my advanced routine, the new fusion matrix. I then have lots of variations of shadow coins. So this is matrix with card and coin. I even have my elusive silver um, one card and four coin matrix, where at the end I change the card into a jumbo coin. I have many jumbo coin productions. I have uh, a routine in here called super matrix, where you produce um, seven coins at the end. I have some very incredible routines on here. I have my new Strange Exchange finale, where I do it's a variation of Paul Harris' routine, Strange Exchange, where at the end I exchange the shapes for of a coin and a card, so that you now have a round card and a square coin. Absolutely stunning visual magic. I also include my sugar cubes to dice, which flows into um, my dice matrix routine. I have couple of variations of chink a chink and matrix with cards, coins, one card, four coin matrix. I include a lot of card routines on this as well, so that you can flow the routines together, so everything blends very well. I have the Invisible Travelers 1, Invisible Travelers 2. I have Magnum Opus routine, Magnum Opus Travelers I created with Michael Little. Uh, then I have Twin Phoenix Productions. I have my Royal Assembly 2. And so get this today. This is an absolutely incredible product. Thank you.